You should never ever throw away your lemon peels again. Do this and you'll save a great deal of money. To begin, we'll be pouring our lemon peels into a blender. Next, we'll pour in water based on the amount of peels we have. Then, we'll cover our blender and turn it to maximum power until all the peels are completely disintegrated. Once this happens, we turn off the blender and then remove the lid. Now, we're going to take a container and a strainer as well. Next, we empty the contents of the lemon peels, separating the liquid from the fiber until everything is thoroughly squeezed. This fiber here, don't throw it away. You can use it to make insecticides for your plants. Once it has been strained, the next thing to use is the baking soda. We will use 3 tablespoons of this, and then we will stir. Baking soda, as we are already aware, can be used effectively as a disinfectant. It effectively eliminates limescale and dirt from all kinds of surfaces. We're going to take a tablespoon of salt, and then we'll stir it. This product assists in the removal of stubborn stains given its abrasive nature, allowing you to effectively scrub them away as it functions as a highly potent cleaning agent. We will also incorporate 3 tablespoons of liquid soap and then we stir. This will give our formula a much more powerful action to effectively remove the grease and the most stubborn stains. Finally, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of alcohol and stir it again. You can use any type of alcohol that you have on hand. The one that I am currently using here is 70% alcohol. Now, with the help of a funnel, we are going to pour out all of our prepared mixture. Take this step slowly, so it doesn't spill out everywhere. To finalize, we'll make sure to tightly seal our bottle and then give it a good shake before using. To use it, simply place a small amount on our sponge or scourer, then rub it on your tarnished utensils. In my case, I am using this pot that is completely tin-plated. You are able to make use of it anywhere. To clean the stove, the fridge, or any grimy, worn-out utensil. This is a very potent disinfectant and degreaser. It has a pleasant lemon scent, and the best part is it will help you remove the toughest grime without being abrasive or toxic to you, helping you avoid allergic reactions and skin flaking that harsh chemical cleansers can often cause. What's more, you'll save yourself a great deal of money on expensive disinfectants by simply reusing your lemon peels.